Welcome to our Fun Facts Fiesta, where curiosity meets entertainment. I'm delighted to have you join us on this exciting adventure of discovering fascinating and mind-boggling facts.
Hey, fellow fact fans! Today, we're cracking open the world of eggs, those incredible ovals of potential that go beyond breakfast scrambles. Buckle up for 10 surprising facts and myths that'll leave you saying, Egg-cellent. 1. The yolk's not always orange. The color of an egg yolk depends on the chicken's diet. Chickens fed marigolds or paprika have yolks with vibrant orange hues, while those with a less colorful diet have paler yolks. So, next time you see a golden yolk, you know it's probably enjoyed a nutritious feast. 2. The shell-abrading myth. We often associate brown eggs with being healthier than white eggs. But the truth is, the shell color tells you nothing about nutritional value. It all depends on the breed of chicken that laid the egg. So, choose whichever color tickles your fancy. 3. The talking egg myth. Ever heard putting an egg near a speaker will make it talk? It's just physics at play. The speaker's vibrations resonate with the egg's air sac, creating a rattling sound. While not actual talking, it's a fun science experiment for curious minds. 4. The world's smallest egg. The hummingbird egg takes the crown. It's about the size of a pea, making it a miniature marvel of life. Imagine a tiny dinosaur hatching from something so small. 5. The eggy escape artist. An ostrich egg can withstand the weight of a human. Their thick shells and strong membranes protect the developing chick inside. Talk about a tough outer layer. 6. The egg-sighting journey. Did you know a chicken ovulates about once a day? That's one yolktastic journey from ovary to carton. 7. The underwater wonder. The loon, a diving bird, lays its eggs underwater. They have special adaptations, like air pockets and waterproof feathers, to keep their precious cargo safe until hatching. Nature never ceases to amaze. 8. The ballot controversy. In some cultures, fertilized duck eggs incubated for a specific period, ballot, are considered a delicacy. While legal and enjoyed by many, the practice raises ethical concerns and isn't for everyone. It's a reminder of the diverse food traditions around the world. 9. The eggy explosion myth. Leaving eggs out at room temperature for too long won't make them explode. While bacterial growth is a concern, the pressure buildup isn't enough for a dramatic yolksplosion. So, store your eggs safely in the fridge for optimal freshness. 10. The eggy masterpieces. Faberge eggs aren't just jeweled treasures, they're intricate works of art. Crafted by the House of Faberge, these bejeweled eggs held hidden surprises and intricate mechanisms, making them historical and artistic marvels. Bonus fact, the longest recorded omelette measured over 1.5 kilometers, almost 1 mile, long. Talk about a giant breakfast fit for a crowd. So there you have it. 10 egg-cellent facts and myths that'll make you appreciate these versatile and fascinating wonders. Remember, Imi Fun Facts is always here to serve up a knowledge omelette, so keep subscribing for more yolksome content.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates.